Hello everyone, welcome to Exot Solutions. In previous video, we completed our second sketch. If you have any query related to that, you can ask me in comment section. In this video, we are going to draw the next sketch. So let's get started. Hello everyone, for today's video, this is our sketch. To draw this sketch, select Start, Mechanical Design, Sketcher. Here press OK. Here at left side you have to select any one of these plane to go to Sketcher environment. I am selecting XY plane. This is our Sketcher environment and all these commands we are going to use to draw today's sketch. This is sketch. To draw this sketch you have to first draw circle and hexagon. We have to draw first circle and hexagon like this. Now we will give dimension to this. The circle dimensions are 70 diameter and the hexagon dimension side dimension is 20. The 70 diameter circle and 20 side of hexagon like this. The next step is to draw these two lines like this. Draw two lines. Now the next step is to draw these two arcs. To draw arcs you have to draw circles like this. Now select circle and this circle and make it tangent, and this line and this circle also make tangent like this. Now select quick trim and delete the part that we don't want. Now do the same for the other side. Now make this line and this circle tangent. As you can see here, the point is not coincidence with this circle, so select this point and circle and make it coincidence like this. Now select quick trim and delete the part that we don't want. Now we will give dimension to these arcs. The arc dimensions are 65 radius. Select arc and give dimension 65. Similarly for this side 65 like this. Now the final step is to draw this arc. For that you have to draw the circle like this and make sure the circle is tangent to both sides. And as you can see, these points are not coincidence with circle, so make it coincidence with circle. Similarly for other side. Now select quick trim and delete the part that we don't want. As you can see, our object will be drawn. Now the dimensions are remaining to give. This vertical dimension and the arc radius. This arc radius is 12 and the vertical dimensions is 145 from center point to lower point. its vertical dimension is 145, like this. As you can see, our object will be drawn. Thank you for watching.